Namu, the boss is here. He's sleeping. Just say this 2 times. He's sleeping. Wake up and say
Ja meneer, die 2000 rand heeft u in bed slaap baie lekker.
Oh! Jy moet kwaad raak met die mense. Tuinroete en Weskaap. Kyk want die bed is so goeie kwaliteit. Kom mense, kom. Kom op my bedjie hierso. Wys hier die mense. Van die Weskaap en die hele Suid-Afrika. Wat 'n kwaliteit.
see our quality is 100%.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Just
Thank
look
you.
at this bed. It's nice for 2,000 rand.
The proof is in the pudding, guys. And now, I want to tell you something. Western Cape Garden Route. That not only a double base and mattress set for 2,000 rand, you can get a designer matching headboard for 3,000 rand only. People, that's unbelievable. A beautiful double base and mattress set plus a designer headboard. 3,000 rand only. Hoekom? Want my naam is Richard Meyer en ek is die bed specialist. Dankie baie.